Hello bachcho, welcome back to 5 Factorial. So today we are doing the case-based questions of the chapter Arithmetic Progression. So this question was asked in 2025 board examination. So let's get started with the question. A school is organizing a charity run to raise funds for a local hospital. The run is planned as a series of rounds around a track, with each round being 300 meters. To make the event more challenging and engaging, the organizers decided to increase the distance of each subsequent round by 50 meters. For example, the second run will be 350 meters, the third round will be 400 meters, and so on. The total number of rounds planned is 10. So, just by reading the case study, what do we get? The first round is 300 meters. So, A is 300, and each subsequent round increases by 50 meters. So, D is 50. And how many rounds are there? N is 10. There are 10 rounds. Okay. So, now let's read the first question. Write the fourth, fifth, and sixth term of the arithmetic progression so formed. Okay, so here n is small and the progression is easy to calculate. So we can just calculate manually. Okay, you can just calculate it like 300, 350 is the second one, 400 the third one, 450 the fourth one, 500 the fifth one, 550 the sixth one, 600 the seventh one, 650 the eighth one, 700 is the ninth one, and 750 is the 10th one. So what is asked? Fourth, fifth, and sixth. Fourth is this, fifth is this, and sixth is this. Okay, so 450, 500, and 550. This was the first part. Okay, now what is asked in the second part? Determine the distance of the eighth round. See, we have already calculated all the 10 rounds. This is the eighth round. So 650 is the eighth round. Okay, and the third question is, in third question they have asked part A, that find the total distance run after completing all the 10 rounds. So basically they have asked the sum. So Sn becomes n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 10 by 2, twice of a is 300 plus 9, and d is 50. Okay, so this is 5. You have to calculate it faster. Okay, this is 600 plus 450. 5 into 1050. Okay, now 1050 into 5, 5250. Okay, so this was the answer of the part A of third question. Now part B. Part B says that if a runner completes only the first 6 rounds, what is the total distance? So basically sum of the first 6 rounds. So S6 is asked. N by 2, 2a plus 5 into 50. Okay, so 3 into 600 plus 250. Okay, 3 into 850. Now 2550 is the answer. So how do I calculate this? By multiplying. See, 3 into 850 is asked na. 3 into 0, 0. 3 5s are 15. 1 carry. 8 3s are 24 plus 1, 25. 2550. Similarly, here what I did was 5 zeros are 0. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 5 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2. 5 1s are 5. 5 to 50. So this is how you have to calculate faster. Now coming back to this, if n is larger, and you have to calculate with the help of formula, let me tell you the formula also. The formula to calculate the nth term is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, we all know this formula. So Now let me just do one part with this formula. If A8 is asked, A8 will become, A8 is, A is 300 plus n minus 1, 8 minus 1 is 7 into 50. 300 plus 350, which is 650. Okay. By formula also I have told you, and by direct method also I have told you. Okay. Now moving on to the second question. In order to organize annual sports day, a school prepared an 8-lane running track with an integrated football field inside the track area as shown below. Okay. The length of innermost lane of the track is 400 meters and the each subsequent lane is 7.6 meter longer than the preceding lane. So now we have to answer 3 questions based on this case study. So in order to make this question a little bit tough, they have added decimal. They have given you the difference in decimal form. So the difference is 7.6. So just by reading the case study, what do we get? Here, A is 400 meters, D is 7.6 meters. Yes? Just a second. D is 7.6 meters. Okay. And how many lanes are there? There are 8 lanes. Yes? Yeah. 8 lanes. N is 8. So what does the first question say? The first question says that what is the length of the sixth lane? Yes, it is asked length of the sixth lane. So A6 is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A6 is equals to 400 plus 5 into D, which is 400 plus 5 into 7.6. Now the calculation becomes important in this question. How will you do? This is 400 plus 5 into 7 plus 5 into 0.6. Yes, we can write 7.6 as 7 plus 0.6. Now here 400 plus 7 5s are 35 plus 6 5s are 30 and 1 decimal, that is plus 3. So this becomes 438. Okay. Now the second part. The second part says that how long is the 8th lane than the 4th lane. So they have asked A8 minus A4. Yes, A8 is A plus 7D and A4 is A plus 3D. Yes, so this becomes A plus 7D minus A minus 3D, which is 4D, which is equals to 4 into 7.6. Okay. 7 4s are 28. You don't have to expand it like this. 7 4s are 28 plus 6 4s are 24 and 1 point 2.4. So this becomes 30.4. I hope it's clear to you. Yeah. So in the third question, first part, what is asked? While practicing for a race, a student took 1 round each in first 6 lanes. Find the total distance covered by the student. So S6 is asked here. Yes, S6 is 6 by 2, 2A, 400 plus n minus 1, 5D. Yes, 3 into 800 plus 5 into 7.6. 3 into 800 plus 7 5s are 35 plus 3. 6 5s are 30 and 1 point. So 3.0. So this becomes 3 into 838. Now 8 3s are 24, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 1 11, 8 3s are 24, 25. 2514 meters. Yes. Now the part B of the third question. It says that a student took 1 round each in lane 4 to lane 8. Okay. So lane 4 to lane 8. So 4, 5, 6, 8. So we can directly do S8 minus S3. Make sure you don't make a silly mistake S4 माइनस नहीं करना है यहाँ पे, S3 माइनस करना है बिकॉज 4 इज इंक्लूडेड. ओके, सो S8 माइनस S3, 8/2 2A plus 7D minus 3/2. मेक श्योर डोंट मेक अ सिली मिस्टेक, यहाँ पे प्लस मत कर देना. ओके, 2A plus 2D, this gets cancelled. 8A plus 28D minus 3A minus 3D, right? So 8A minus 3A is 5A and 28 minus 3D is 25D. So 5 into 400 plus 25 into 7.6. This becomes 2000 plus 25 into 7 plus 25 into 0.6. So this becomes 2000 plus 25 into 7, 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 2s are 14 plus 3, 17. Okay, plus 25 into 6. 25 into 6 is 150 and 1 point plus 15. So this becomes 190. This becomes 2190 meters. Okay, so this was the second question asked in 2025.